Factory in Westbury, New York. Where the mall the stores are.
You push the button?
I already pushed it.
Wow. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, nice. So that's a roller coaster. You got the roller coaster effect.
Hold on a second. The company coming on. No, maybe not. I'll get you on camera. That's what the guy manager told me about it in the first place.
As long as you don't put me on camera.
I won't. That's what the manager said.
Yeah. What?
You have a good one, eh? I like to post on YouTube and film it as a hobby.
Enjoy the day. Thank you.
Thanks. Here we go, listen. Very nice elevator. We'll take one ride. Nice motor. Interesting bar buns you don't see at the casino. Like I said, a big thanks to the manager for allowing me to film this elevator, okay? Whenever you film at restaurants like this, do not trespass when you're not allowed to be in, or they will kick you out eventually. I'm pretty sure I can do my epic motor number 17 for this one. This one is one heck of a motor. And don't close when I push the button, I like that. We're actually gonna end on 2, and I can go back down the ground, and maybe I can do my epic motor number 17 for this one. All right. I have like 5 minutes left because the employee told me I'm not allowed to be on camera right now. So let's listen to this motor. There we go. That'll be it.